best example for unity in the nation. Now I would like to conclude my speech by saying that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1975 in Gujarat. He was a great leader. He served India as a deputy
In Gujarat. He played a crucial role in India's freedom movement and integration of around 550 states into the Indian Union. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. On this day, every citizen of the country should take a pledge of wishing you all a happy National Unity Day. I demand thank you. Have a pleasant day.